Hello everyone, today we are going to make mother hen and her baby chick. So let's start. To make these we need 2 white paper, a red paper, an orange paper, and stripe of orange paper and a green stripe. We need glue and scissors. So that's all we need to make the mother hen and the baby chick. Now I have made 2 circles in this white paper. Now we have to cut these. Now I have cut these 2 papers. Now I will cut them like here so that we can make wings for the mother hen. Now I have cut these. Now I will fold them like from here. This one too. See, I folded them. Now I will paste them like this. See, like this. Now I will paste it from here. I will make a beak for the mother hen and some feathers. I have made a feather on the yellow one, on the red one and the green one, and a beak in the red one too. So now I will cut these. Now I have cut these and the beak also of mama chicken. Now I will paste the 2 bodies of mama chicken. Now I will paste this area and this area and paste the feathers and the beak as well. I will put this area. I will use a little glue Beaky because I'm using A4 sheet and it is light and thin. But in this case, if you will use punch sheet, it will be more helpful and it will be it will also stand on its own. Now I will place the beak here so that we can see that the mama chicken's beak is here and the feathers here. One, 2, 3 and the last feather. Now I will take this page and paste it like this. Now we will let it dry for some minutes. Now I will make. Now made mama bird, the hen. I have made a few designs of her fur here also, and her eyes and her feathers and her beak and her wings. Isn't she looking pretty? Now she's going to help me to make her chick. Now I have made a circle smaller than the circle I have made previously, and now I will cut it. Now I have made 2 circles for the chick. Now we will cut it from here like we have done before. I have cut it here. Now I will do it like this and like this. Now I will make a beak for the baby chick. Now I have made the beak. Now I will paste it all. So now take the glue and stick it right there. Now I will take the beak of the chick and put it here. Our baby chick is ready. Now all we have to make is its eyes and its little feathers. That's all. I have made her tiny eyes and her little feathers, which are just starting to grow. Now I will meet her to her mother. दिखाओ दिखाओ. See, aren't they both looking lovely? Now you can also make. Now I have made both of these. Aren't they looking lovely? You can make these at home in your summer camp holiday. These are very pretty. You can also use them to hang it in your room. Thank you.